Namaskar, dear friends. I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from Ashtodevam.com. People say dreams are dreams, they can't be a reality. Dreams cannot be fulfilled. Is it so? Then, how big persons of the universe, big persons on this earth, the great persons on this earth, dreamed big things and they created the reality no one could believe. Just see on the earth how miracles have happened. A lot of discoveries, a lot of inventions, how they came out. How they came out. Is it so? No, dear friends. If you think that dreams are your reality, then it will become reality. And if you think dreams are dreams, then they will always remain dreams. And to fulfill your dreams, to help you realize your dreams, we have now a machine. It is called wish machine. Whatever you wish, you can turn it into reality. That is the wish machine, dream fulfill machine. It is called Sanskrita in Hindi, Ichha Purti machine. This machine has been created after taking into consideration all the principles of subconscious power, all the principles of pyramids, all the principles of subtle energies, all the systems of prana, all the systems of chi. Everything has been combined, and now you can find this wish fulfillment machine. The energy of yantras are there, energy of pyramids are there, energy of domes are there, energy of crystals are there. In every type of subtle energy has been combined for creating this wonderful machine which can help you immensely for realizing your dreams. Just to make them reality, this machine is before you. Along with this machine, there is a book, Miraculous Power of Affirmations. This book will help you to define your wishes in a very creative way. Dr. Dhara Bhatt, after having done a lot of efforts, have created this wonderful affirmation book which will help you realize the miracles and majority of aspects of life, properties, relationship, marriage, finance, and all the steps I told you has been given in a very clear and lucid manner. So you will not get confused what to do, how to use this machine. This book is complimentary. The whole guidebook is complimentary along with this machine. Let me explain you this machine. Before explaining this machine, may I ask you a simple question? Have you been to any religious place? What makes them distinct from a simple premises in which you and we stay and reside? Just visit a temple, just visit a church, just visit a mosque, just visit a gurdwara, just visit a Buddhist temple. Any place you visit, there is only one thing common which makes them distinct, that they don't have flat roof. Everyone has either this shape or this shape. Either this shape in the gurdwaras and mosques, or in the churches, Buddhist temple and Hindu temple, this shape. Why they create temples, mosques, churches in this way? Because it is the secret of their energy, their wishes. And now, after intensive research on this methodology, the same principles have been combined even in more effective manner in creating this wish fulfillment machine. Just see this. Let me elaborate. First part is the cover. This is a very beautiful cover, and it will be created at a particular angle. It could have been like this, it could have been like this, but it is like this because this angle has been found to be most effective for wish fulfillment, for turning your subtle desires into the gross realities. And below this, you'll find this is real 24 karat gold plated dome. Whatever energy it gets from the cosmos it throws onto this, it helps to stabilize this energy received from this into this. Now, after energy has been stabilized, what you find that there are 9 pyramids below this. Why 9? 9 is the number of energy, 9 is the number of mass, 9 is the biggest number. When you are playing with energies in this wish fulfillment machine, nothing less than 9. And what you find that in this beautiful lotus like shape, a lot of copper triangles are there which are disseminating this energy and harmonizing this energy with the help of the crystals. We each triangle has one crystal, both of them are harmonizing this energy or helping you to fulfill your desires. And most interesting thing is that below each pyramid, there are 9 pyramids. It was one pyramid. Below this pyramid, there are 9 pyramids, and below each pyramid, again there are 9 gold-plated pyramids. This is a big yantra. This is a big yantra. 81 pyramids are there, and if you see around this, in the combination of 9 yantras, the playfully combination of yantras which has Brahma and Shakti, merger of Purush and Shakti, very big secret of this universe. Nothing can be created without Brahma and Shakti. So in this yantra, one yantra, both the energies have been merged in a very harmonious way. A lot of yantras in the combination of 9 you can see, which are protecting as well as helping to disseminate in a creative way. In a creative way, the energy created by this yantra. So what to do? First step, create that eagerness. Create that eagerness for fulfilling your desire. Second step is that define your desire. How to define? Just write down. Suppose that you want to get rich. This is not a, you want to be happy. This is not a desire. You should be able to define. I want to have 10 crore rupees. I want 10 factories. I want to set my 10 kilo weight. This is the desire. A specific desire which can be fulfilled by the cosmic energy, because cosmic energy are not at leisure to define your energy at their side. No, they cannot understand. And one thing I want to caution you, this machine is only for materialistic fulfillments. For spiritual fulfillments, there is another level. These machines cannot do your spiritual fulfillments. For this, you will have to do penance, sadhana, tapam, at the external level through your body, or internal level through your thoughts and emotions. But for spiritual, you need to do sadhana. But for materialistic level, this machine will help you a lot. So first you created that eagerness. Second, you created that desire and defined it. Third thing, you'll have to write it down on a piece of paper. Take a white paper and write it down with red ink. If you wish, you may put up some religious symbols, some mantra, something like whatever is your religion. Every religion has some specific symbols. You may write down at that symbol. Okay, and you have written that symbol, and after writing this on the paper, just place on these 9 pyramids and just close this. Once you have placed, the next step is that invoking the cosmic energy. Seek their help. Connect with them. These cosmic energies may be outside in the universe, or it may be at your subconscious level, but they will help you a lot. Invoke them. And for invoking those energies, this machine is going to do wonders for you. Believe me, they will connect you. It has been designed in a way that your inner psychology will become external reality. And next step is that just enjoy that achievement. Just enjoy that bliss. Anything which may happen in future, it has already happened in your subconscious. In another dimension, just, it is the moment of time that it will come out. If you heard the story of inventions, every invention which came on this earth, it was already in the subconscious mind of the inventor. And if you want to fulfill your wish, if you want to see 10 crore rupees in your pocket, it is already in your subconscious mind. It is just moment of time that it will come before you. And if it's just moment of time, why should not you celebrate and enjoy? Well, start enjoying that bliss, that achievement, that boon. Enjoy that. Start enjoying that. Once just keep your both hands here in a way, in this way, on this machine, and close your eyes. Start enjoying. Let you give ultimatum to the cosmic energy. Sir, it is already mine. Just pass it. I am already enjoying that boon. I am already enjoying that bliss. Once it is with you, it will be yours. And the last step is having gratitude, being thankful, because it is already with your side, already with you in another dimension. Be grateful to the cosmic energies. Once the thanks had passed on to him or her, whatever, I don't know the gender of the cosmic energy, I don't know the gender of the God, but if it has been passed, it will be yours. It will be only question of time. It will be only moment that you will get that. Believe me, it has already happened to a lot of persons. People give feedback. They may have made impossible possible, and now it's your turn. Wish fulfillment machine. If you want to have, it is already in our website. A lot of persons have bought this wonderful machine. Don't forget to have it. Why to lose the assets which are already yours? Why to wait for the miracles which are already reality? Or why to wait for dreams to happen when they have already happened? Namaskar, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan, astrodevam.com से